I am Ramesh NG, Department of Economics, RTE Society, Rane winner. I first thankful to IIT Bombay and GFGC Haryana because of we are conducting the refresher course. So this is the ICT tools innovative ideas. This is the first one assignments, and also it's a very important ICT in the present scenario. So ICT can change the traditional concept of learning process, and the component of ICT should be integrated in the education program. In such way, in such a way that teaching should be enabled to face the new demands and improve the efficiency and effectiveness of education at all level in the both formal and non-formal settings. What is the ICT? It was not until learned later on in my teaching career that the term information and communication technology materialized before me and opened my eyes to what this meant in education. The term ICT simplified means technology that has to information and communication. Information can come in many forms such as sound, video, text, and images. So when you think of what technology it is available that produces these aspects of information, and sometimes a combination of all these, we refer to such technology as mobile phone, digital camera, video cameras. For example, for example, digital cameras, videos, and today's information and communication technology are the one thing so that re- re- reporting of technology expand the future to encompass computer and computer related products, email, MMS, and other forms of communication. The impact of ICT in education. Today we do that. Today we do not need to go any further than our own home or even room to see some form of ICT in our lives. Whether it be a computer plasma TV or mobile phone, we are all home them in some part of our life. In India society, people such consumers of ICT all strive for the dream of a connected life. This makes ICT a lifestyle choice for so much of the population. In addition, this lifestyle choice is changing the way we com- communicate, increasing the rate of communi- consumerism, and changing who have interact and gather information. ICT has innovated and transformed many aspects of our lives to the extent that we live in an environment that is dominated by technology, which itself is consumer driven. No matter how we perceive its presence, there is no denying that is an important part of our lives, that is a very here to stay. Key issues to remember in uh, relate, relation to the importance of ITC in education. E-learning or online learning, the presence of ICT in education allows for new ways of learning for students and teachers. E-learning or online learning is becoming increasingly popular, and with various prescribed events taking place in our lives. This does not only open opportunity for schools and ensure that students have access to curriculum materials while at classroom, such as at the home or even in hospitalized can learn ICT brings inclusion. The benefits of ICT in education such that students in classroom can all learn from the curriculum materials. Students with special need are no longer at a disadvantage as they have access to essential materials, and so special ICT tools can be used by students to make use the ICT for their own educational needs. Despite this, it opens up new issues related to the digital dividend. The providing access to ICT tools and resources for those who are less fortunate. ICT promotes higher order thinking skills, one of the key skill for the 21st century, which includes evaluating, planning, monitoring, and reflecting to the name a few. The effective use of ICT in education demands skills such as explaining and justifying the use of ICT in producing solutions to problems. Students need to discuss, test, and the various strategies that they will use. ICT enhance subject learning. As it is well known these days that the use of ICT in education adds a lot of value to key learning areas like literary and mm, numeracy. ICT use develops ICT literacy and ICT capability. Both are 21st century skills that are best developed. ICT literacy and ICT capability uh, capabilities provide them meaningful activities, eminent and purposeful subject related contents. ICT use encouraging collaboration. You just have to put a laptop, iPad, or computer in the classroom to understand how it is work. ICT naturally brings children together where they can talk to discuss that they are doing for their work, and these in turn open up avenues for communication, those leading to language development. ICT use motivates learning. Society demands for new technologies has not left out children and their needs. Children are finite with the technology, and it encourages to motivates them to learn in the classroom. ICT in education improves encourage engagement and knowledge relation. When ICT integrated into access as consequence of this increased engagement, it is said to that with will be able to relation knowledge more effect, effectively and efficiently. ICT use allows for effective differential instruments. With technology, we all learn differently at different rates and styles, and technology provides opportunities for this to occur. The world we live in a result of consist change that might be there one day is never there the next. Look at what has happened with COVID-19. The challenges that we have all beared witness to represent a significant provide in our lives. For myself, these changes have been technological in their nature, with most of the world in lockdown due to the pandemic. People are working from home. If they can, students are learning from home in an online format, and parents for picking up the slack from teachers and supporting their children. These preceding event has changed the world and has brought into a new era, the time of online learning for all peoples. Before we delve into why ICT in education so important today, let us first understand the fundamentals of what ICT is. Learn more about the benefits of technology in education. Online workshop, ICT teaching and learning strategies in the primary school. It was not until later. First one is it offers to wide variety of services. It is reliable and provides interactive learning expressions. It is flexible and provides comfortable learning. It motivated students to learn. It facilitates communication and promote creativity. It also provides access to the digital library where information can be retrieved and stored behind the textbooks. The use of ICT is education adds value and teaching and learning by enhancing the effectiveness of learning. It added a dimensions of learning that was not previously available. After the inspection of ICT in school, students found learning in a technology enhanced environment more stimulating and engaging than in a traditional classroom environment. Model teaching and learning. It is also one of the modern ICT tool. That ICT tool is very important in researchers, scholars, and teaching faculties. The my classroom board is at another school communication tool and bridge the gap between the teachers, parents, and students by using its school managers model. Parents and teachers can interact with each other using this model, emphasizing on transparency between the due became a partner with us. Build the communication between your teachers and parents with effectiveness and easy. Benefits of Moodle for the educators: managing access to learning material, group students into year or class group of automatically provides access to the appropriate learning materials. Communicating with learners, Moodle's messages system allows learners and teachers to communicate easily. So now you have an idea on what Moodle is and how it's used. Let's get into the details about what you can do with Moodle solutions based around its main features. First one is content creation and management. Moodle gives you a central place to manage all your training, course, and learning content. You may already have your own learning content, or many want to purchase ready-made content, maybe mixture or both. Whatever approach you taken, Moodle Solutions makes the process of producing and distributing course content easy. With a simple drag and drop inference, we will be able to uploading learning resources such as documents, videos, audios, and videos, audios, add link to useful sites wikis or blogs, or even your own forum discussion. You can then use that content to build the activities and lesson that make up your Moodle course. You will also be able to build interactive element into your courses, including things like quizzes, game, presentations, ebooks, or interactive branching videos. It's so important to ensure you have enough int- interactively built into your content because of its learning to be engaging and enjoyable experience for your learners. Build your own training course with models. LMS means learning management system. You can create the training courses unique way to your organization, uh, giving your learning giving your learners the exact learning training they need with a built-in courses creator and a simple inference. Creating your own training course is far easier than you may think. Learner engagement matter, and learners can express themselves with video and audio directly into the forum post of assessment submission with the integrated webcam and microphone recording. Trainers can also create adapting and branching lessons, activities, and build searchable glossaries and databasing lesson activities, and build such glossaries and database quiz polls and assignments can be added a course to help you assess existing knowledge. Collaborating and communication. Second one is collaboration and communicating. Conference adds an engaging real-time dimensions to your learning environment, whether it's live webcam, video streaming, sharing of presentations and polls, or live desktop sharing. Web conference enables you to conduct up to the minute session without the health and cost associated with the face-to-face training. One of the long-term changing after the COVID-19 crisis is likely to be an increasing home increasing in home other forms of remote working. So it's more important than ever that learners can still collaborate and communication as part of their online learning. Integrated web conference system. Big Blue Button makes online training personal. Big Blue Button is a fully responsive web-based virtual classroom, enabling learner access from anywhere and any device, and enable trainers to provide a high-quality online learning experience for all. Enable learner is using a Big Blue Button. With Big Blue Button web conferencing, we will be able to give our learners real-time training with shared screens as well as shared audio, video, presentation, slides, and of course the chat. A personal experience led by real trainer, no matter wherever learners are. Collaborative learning through digital breakout rooms where you can monitor the discussion and set timer for and projector recording of your virtual classroom courses so they can review the content again. Opportunity for feedback. Built-in pooling makes it easy to engaging learners, and recording sessions means they are available for later review. Emphasize on important points with the whiteboard tool in Big Blue Button. Annotations are automatically displayed back to the students in real time. Presenters can zoom, highlights, draw, and write on presentations to emphasize points to learner. Third one is managing assessment and achievements. Assessing and the progress and understanding of your learners is critically in ensuring your training material and events are not only informative but effective. You can easily track your learners progress and any level from individual and department and job functions or at the organization video wide level. Moodle has a range of assessment options including built. The Moodle is also one of the modern technology, its ICT tools that is also very important in innovative ideas. So I thankful to IIT Bombay and GFGC Haryana and all faculties who are the giving this opportunity. All are thankful. Thank you very much.